Welcome planners, ready to take your skills to the next level? Let's dive into Before Planning Begins, the course that will transform your approach to planning. Imagine this, you're crafting the perfect plan, but your foundation is shaky. Frustrating, right? That's where we come in. In this course, you'll discover the power of formal systems methodology, how to ensure data integrity and document control, and techniques to gather and structure information effectively. Why does this matter? Because accuracy at the pre-planning stage means higher quality job plans and packages, happier customers, and safer, more efficient operations. We'll show you how to avoid common pitfalls like specifying wrong materials or incorrect settings. These mistakes can lead to incidents or production delays, outcomes we all want to avoid. By mastering these skills, you'll boost your confidence, enhance your competence, and provide top-notch planning services for maintenance and capital projects. Remember, real planning starts with the pre-plan. Ready to elevate your game? Let's begin this journey to planning excellence together.